kids, last Saturday I said I'll teach them how does a microscope work. Now, this microscope right here, the teacher has worked it. First of all, you turn on or get those sunglasses. This will probably a storm if you have them. This is going to be very bright. Oh, you don't see it. Good. Okay. Wait. Showing me. See, that's the light. Turned up. Now all I see is white. Now to do it, first you twist this knob. But see, I can see it much clearer now. Let's see what dots everything. Now this helps it to be called adjusting knob. It will help you see clearer or foggier. Now this is called the zooming in knob. It can zoom in to over, one more please, 1,200 times. Now that is one powerful microscope. All the microscopes will be powerful. To see a microscopic world. Now, do you wonder what, I'll turn the eye off for a second. Do you wonder what this is like here? This changes the color frame. See, but I want it like this so that I can see it normally. And if you need adult supervision, just ask them to use a battery wherever it goes. I have no idea where it goes. Probably somewhere right here. So, and also, you can, I think, switch this off, put a new thing in it. Also, and you can put different size. I have an onion bulb iris. I do miss side. I'm gonna put it back where it belongs. Hang on. There we go. So, now you know how to work your microscope. Have fun with it. Go ahead. And also, the knobs make the microscope go up and down. So kids, I hope you have a wonderful evening. Yes, I am happy. Bye.